Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're sharing some actionable styling tips to help you update and refresh your home for 2024. Before we begin, if you're interested in creating a home you love or expanding your interior styling knowledge, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, as your support enables us to continue creating videos like this one. Introduce the colour trends of 2024. According to industry authorities like WGSN and Coloro, some of the core colours to introduce in 2024 are intense rust, midnight plum, sustained grey, cool matcha, and apricot crush. Colour psychology will also play a key role, with tones chosen not only for how they look, but also how they can make us feel. For example, Apricot Crush aligns with a focus on balanced lifestyles that nourish the body and mind and draw from the beauty found in nature. Intense Rust is a trans-seasonal brown that evokes feelings of stability and balancing luxury with a raw, earthy edge. This colour communicates authenticity, simple luxury, and the return of classic design. Midnight Plum. It celebrates darkness, connecting to a sense of mystery. Sustained Grey represents practicality and reliability. It seeks to promote balance and offers a utilitarian edge. Lastly, Cool Matcha is a tinted pastel with a soothing and calm quality. It's a quiet, pacifying pale green. In addition to the shades mentioned, colours inspired by nature and well-being will continue to be embraced, offering a sense of groundedness and tranquility. Embrace forward-thinking design trends. In addition to this year's colour trends, WGSN has identified some guiding themes for 2024 and beyond. These include the prioritisation of wellbeing, fostering connections and community, embracing fluid and flexible interiors as our digital and physical worlds merge, and embracing personalised designs and products that tell a story. Some ideas for integrating these themes into your home include the continuation of biophilic design. Biophilic design integrates natural elements into the built environment to improve health and promote well-being. These elements seek to blur the boundaries between the built environment and the organic qualities found in nature. In addition to living energy and innovative architecture, you can start by incorporating natural materials such as reclaimed or recycled woods, rattan, reed, stone, and burl wood into your decor, as well as creating seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces. the Prioritisation of Wellbeing. Think of your home as a haven for self-care by focusing on facilitating wellness in spaces like your bathroom, bedroom, and kitchen. For example, you could revamp your existing bathroom into one that promotes rejuvenation and self-care. Incorporate elements like bath salts, rattan, nickel or marble trays, sumptuous body and bath products, body brushes and beautiful washcloths. You could even take it a step further and embrace the bathscaping trend by adding candles, flowers or plants, playing your favourite music, pouring your favourite drink and more. Sensorial Design. In our series on interior design for wellbeing, we introduced the concept of multi-sensory design, which focuses on engaging all the senses to create meaningful and immersive spaces. This includes layered lighting, textures, scents, sounds, tastes, colours, decor, and more to evoke diverse ambiences within the home. For example, Scaping harnesses the power of scent to distinguish and define different rooms in your home. It's about curating an environment that complements your activities, the time of day, and your mood. For example, your kitchen might be characterised by an uplifting citrus fragrance. Your living room a warm and inviting scent that enhances connection, and your bedroom a soothing scent that promotes restful sleep. Elevated comfort and texture. Next, comfort has taken on a whole new meaning in interior design. It's about embracing a holistic approach that integrates curves, textures, and breathable materials to create inviting and tranquil living spaces. For example, curves soften the edges of a room, creating a sense of flow and harmony. Start by evaluating your existing architecture and furniture pieces. Brainstorm how you could seamlessly introduce more organic shapes and forms into your interior, with shapely sofas, rounded coffee tables, circular rugs, mirrors, decorative cushions, and handcrafted decor. Breathable materials such as linen, cotton, rattan, hemp and bamboo are also important for enhancing comfort as they allow air to circulate throughout the home, preventing odour and creating an overall pleasant sensory experience. integrated technology. The introduction of smart technology and energy-efficient solutions is a reality, and it's transforming the way we live. Some ideas for embracing this include introducing smart technology and home automation systems, smart lock solutions like the Level Smart Lock, wireless LED light bulbs, solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and more. Next, the concept of the flexible home represents a shift away from open-plan living spaces, allowing for more privacy and specialisation within the home. However, as not everyone has the luxury of separate rooms, there are still ways to transform and zone existing open-plan spaces. Ideas include investing in multifunctional furniture pieces, stylish room dividers or curtain walls, and small area rugs which will help separate a room for multi-purpose use. The entertaining home. By extension of the flexible home, at-home entertaining has transitioned from being a makeshift option to an enjoyable alternative to going out. Fulfilling the need for connection and community, look for ways to recreate your favourite dining experiences at home. Some ideas include investing in high-quality glassware, tableware and dinnerware that elevates your dining experience. Setting up a home bar either with a built-in bar station or mobile drinks cart or bar trolley. Creating a game zone where you can gather to play group board games, cards or alfresco games, and extending the entertainment outdoors by setting up alfresco dining areas complete with comfortable seating, ambient lighting and outdoor cooking facilities. Lastly, make this year the one where you embrace your personal style by including one-of-a-kind homewares and decor that tell a story about you and what you love the most. One of my favourite ways to do this is by investing in antique, vintage or handcrafted pieces. These items represent a departure from mass-produced furnishings and decor. Instead, they celebrate the unique, the authentic, and the human touch. As I love travel, I find these pieces help remind me of the culture, history, and craftsmanship of a particular region or community that I've travelled to. Some items might include handcrafted ceramic bowls, decorative objects or vases, old oil portraits, architectural salvage items, and mismatched collections of old wicker baskets, chopping boards, suitcases, decoy ducks, candle holders, and old books. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these actionable tips will help you transform your home into a stylish, comfortable and functional space for 2024. Please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.